Are you looking for the best battery disconnect switch? Battery disconnect switches are essential for protecting batteries from excessive discharge during storage, preventing parasitic draws, and adding a layer of security against tampering. For vehicle, marine, and RV owners, choosing the right disconnect involves evaluating current capacity, installation method, terminal type, and mounting flexibility.
Product number 1. Join-furled top post battery disconnect. Overview. The join-furled top post disconnect switch is a versatile 12 to 48 volt device rated for 250 amp continuous in a 1000 amp cranking, configured as a two-way on-off switch with a negative terminal clamp and a tapered post. Its construction emphasizes reliable electrical conductivity via brass to clamp interfaces and a durable ABS housing. The design allows standalone use or lockable pairing with other switches, which is beneficial for multi-battery setups on boats or RVs. Performance and usability. The clamp-on negative terminal approach simplifies installation in cramped engine bays and on battery banks where space matters. The 250 amp continuous rating is adequate for many mid-range automotive and marine loads. However, users should recognize that high current accessories, starter motors, will exceed continuous ratings during cranking. The 12 to 48 volt range is broad enough for most vehicle electrical systems, and the hinge-style actuator provides a straightforward on-off control. The absence of remote operation means it's a tactile mechanical solution ideal for simple, reliable disconnection, though less convenient for one-button security features.
Product number 2. Nilite 90015A battery switch. Overview. Nilite's 90015A is a heavy-duty 12 to 48 volt on-off disconnect rated at 275A continuous and up to 1250A momentary with 455A intermittent at 12 volts. It uses an ABS housing with a rear terminal cover for insulation and ships with 4 bolts, emphasizing rugged installation for automotive, marine, and RV contexts. Performance and usability. The 275A continuous rating makes it slightly more capable than the baseline 250A units for steady parasitic loads. The explicit specification for multiple current modes, continuous, intermittent, and momentary, provides flexibility for switching strategies during crank or surge events. The unit's plug-in connection, as opposed to clamp, may simplify wiring in some installations, but may require compatible harnesses. The 2-year warranty adds a layer of confidence in long-term use. This switch is well suited for users seeking a robust, self-contained disconnect with straightforward install in various 12 to 48 volt systems.
Product number 3. Top post battery disconnect. Overview. The PTPUO top post disconnect is a 12 volt to 48 volt 300A continuous switch with a two-way on-off operation and a removable knob for security. It supports flexible mounting with 2 mounting options and is designed for negative terminal use on standard top post batteries. Construction emphasizes nylon 66 and brass for improved strength and conductivity, reportedly offering stronger flame resistance than typical ABS-based devices. Performance and usability. The 300A continuous rating provides a solid margin for many vehicles, boats, and RVs with modest parasitic loads. The two-way design with a removable knob adds theft deterrence and convenience for technicians who want to bypass the switch quickly during maintenance. The dual mounting configuration and clamp-on option add installation flexibility in engines with limited space. This unit's emphasis on corrosion resistance through brass components helps longevity in marine environments, though the 5.3 by 2.2 by 1.8 inch footprint should be considered against available mounting space.
Product number 4. Remote Battery Disconnect Overview. DZSSCY's Remote Battery Disconnect is a 12-volt, 250-amp device that switches via a push-button actuator and is designed for remote operation to mitigate battery drain and theft. It emphasizes a remote kill switch approach, connecting to the negative terminal with the clamp interface and featuring a two-way circuit design. The remote feature aims to offer one-step power management without reaching for the battery post. The key value proposition is remote control, which can prevent parasitic draws without physically exposing the battery.
The 250 amp rating is sufficient for typical automotive and RV baseloads, though heavy motors during cranking may exceed continuous, so assess worst-case peak demands. The inclusion of a push-button actuator allows quick disconnection, but the system relies on a separate remote receiver relay setup, which adds complexity and potential failure points. This unit suits users prioritizing security and convenience, particularly for parked vehicles or vessels with long-term storage needs.
Product number 5. Ampere Top Post Battery Overview. Ampere's Top Post switch is a 12 to 48 volt device rated at 275 amp continuous and 1250 amp momentary, designed for negative terminal use with direct top post negative connections. It emphasizes a plug-and-play installation with no modifications and broad compatibility across cars, RVs, boats, and marine installations. It ships with an ABS housing and robust copper connections, aiming for reliable conductivity and corrosion resistance. Performance and usability. The 275 amp continuous rating matches the typical parasitic load management needs for many vehicles, boats, and campers. The high momentary rating provides resilience during brief surges, starter or motorized accessories. The direct clamp to negative post installation reduces cable work and speeds up installation. The unit's 5 x 1.8 x 2-inch footprint makes it relatively compact for tight engine bays. The broad feature set and familiar mechanical knob make it approachable for DIYers, though the quick fit claims should be validated against your specific battery post geometry.